like a Hellcat.
Okay, so today he's working on the 2002 Polaris Edge X, cleaning the exhaust valves, I guess.
Yeah.
And just polishing it up, servicing it, getting ready for riding.
Getting it ready for the COVID-19.
Yeah, pretty much. So he cleaned these up, and we poured a little bit of gas in an old butter container, and yeah, she's pretty black from.
It's just exhaust.
Oh, it's just the exhaust pieces and stuff, but it's pretty black. So yeah, got a propane / heater thing going. Don't ever be very cautious when you use this kind of stuff. Very dangerous. Especially when you're working around with gasoline and machinery, you gotta be extra cautious. So, yeah, he's just polishing up the exhaust valves and.
Say hi to Josh. Tell him he's the #1 viewer.
Yeah, my Uncle Josh's #1 viewer. So how's it going? Yeah, it's actually pretty. It's pretty decent, I guess. Fairly clean.
We're just enjoying.
Just enjoying the day, I guess. I gotta work later. Today's my last day.
It was that damn McDonald's. Everybody's after those nuggets.
Yeah, today's my last day, and then I'm off for the rest of the week. I guess we're going to be going on lockdowns, so a lot of people are going to be laid off for the next couple of weeks, or God knows how long they're going to extend
Maybe
it for.
they'll get locked in their house.
Yep. If it has to come to that. I don't think they'll ever come to that conclusion, but whatever. Yeah, so it's not much happening. For those that are new to the channel, we got this a couple months ago. What is it, 2012 or 2013?
Oh, I believe it's 12.
This is a 2012 Can-Am Outlander 1000. This is my brother's bike, so.
She's deadly. So.
Oh, yeah. And I got the, for those that are new to my main channel, obviously, this is my bike. The 2004 Kodiak 450. And, yeah, she's pretty, no, it's not dirty, but dirty enough. And then my dad's bike is the 2008 Can-Am 650 Max. That's been put away for the winter. May start it up later, so I don't know, maybe. So, I don't know, just some random video I'm just deciding to throw together. I might be doing a startup video on this, and my shifter was frozen earlier, but I freed it up, so. And for those that haven't kept up with the update on the Kodiak 450, as well as the 2002 Polaris Edge X, this, under all the snow, is a snow plow that we had for many years. It's a plow that was originally modified for a 3-wheeler, was also modified for a 91 Honda 4Track 300. If you guys want to see lots of videos on that, please go check out my brother's channel, Liam's Moto Videos. Link will be in the description box down below, as well as the bottom of your screen. And then it's going to be modified now for my 04 Kodiak 450, so yeah. Lots to do, so we might do that, tinker with that over the week, maybe. We'll see. Okay, so now we're gonna do a cold start on the Kodiak 450. Now it's been sitting for a couple of weeks, I think. This is the last time I started it. I can't remember. It's been in minus temperatures. It was almost minus 20 a couple of days ago. So, and it's a little coldish, but not very mild actually. So I don't know if it's gonna go, but we'll give it a shot there. So I'm just gonna prop you guys up on something, and then we'll get to her. Here, let me fix my camera, guys, and then we'll reposition. All right. Let's see, she'll run. The gas switch is broke, so, well, since my brother owned it, so the gas is fully on all the time. Alright. I gotta get used to cold starting this, so. There we go. Took a few minutes, but we got her going. I think I'm starting to get the hang of it. I had to play with the choke for a minute because I believe it was also stiff. But I'm always leaving on full choke because what happens is, because you usually take this bike through a lot of water at most times, and what will happen is somewhere the water will get under the bike and then freeze up the choke cable, which makes it harder for us to start this bike. And also the choke cable will freeze up. So with this bike, I always leave it on full choke. Leaving on half choke. There we go. She's all starting to warm up there now. I think she's gonna stall. There. Oh. Ah. Just holding on to the throttle, giving it a little bit of a hand there. Just got to give it a little bit of a hand to warm up, and then should be good to go. I have it off full choke there now, so. Trying to end the clip here.